Okay, so I had some questions about this object here, the front of the train, the cow pusher, or I don't want to call it the pilot because that's what Brennan Krause calls it, but the thing at the front of a train, okay, called a cow pusher. You can draft it. It's an extrude. You can draft the sides in. You can do it that way. It's how we had to do it the old way. But on shape, there's a way to loft it, which is a little bit easier to do. So what you have to do though is you have to prepare and get two sketches. So I made these two sketches here based on our drawings here. It gives you profiles for the top and bottom of this object. So the bottom one, I think I drew right here. Okay, this is the existing plane right here. This one, the top plane. I drew this profile, this one right down over here. Then I created a new plane, offset it, the height of the object, which is 0.75, I believe. I think it's 0.75 tall. I made a new plane. I called it top of push because it's a cow pusher. And then I did the other profile, okay, this profile, that's the top of it because it's a different size. If you see, you do have to align them up. Okay, they've got to be aligned in their proper positioning. So you got to use the center of the back of this one and the center of the back of this one. Those should align to one another. See how everything aligns up? Then, to get this thing lofted, all you do is there's this command right here, and it asks you which two profiles you want to go. I want to go from this one to this one. Just thinking, boom, and there is the cow pusher. Flat on the back, then all those sides are angled, just like that. You have some extrusions, some indentations to do here, so you can do a new sketch and go on here and think. And I want to offset this thing, but I want to flip it, and I want it to be point. Can I click on there? I want it to be what do we got? Where is it? 0.1. Like that, and say OK, and then I can go ahead and do my extrusion back in there. All right. So you are going to have to shell it. That's another thing we have to do down here. I believe you have to shell it first, then go back and do these little indentation extrusions. Okay, don't do these indentation extrusions and then shell it. Okay, and the same thing with these things on the back. Shell this thing first, and then do the stuff on the back. I guess I could show you guys how to shell while I'm at it. So I want to shell this, and I want it to be the thickness, 0.1, just like that. There we go. It shells it, hollows it out basically. Now I can go and do this extrusion, do the one over here, and then put those pins on the back that go and attach to the train. So that's how you do that part. Tricky little part, but using all these features that we have up here makes it pretty easy for you.